how to create a gradient zoom effect in Photoshop. I'm using 221, but you can use earlier versions as well. Go to the gradient tool, then go up to here and select that, and then just go to basic gradient, black and white. You should have that in your legacy gradients. Now you've got over here black. Now, however, this black is not black all the way. So best thing to do, if you don't want any sort of color to come into it, push it right to the corner so it is really black. Click OK. Then also go over here, and this should be white as well. So just make certain it is. Yep. Now what I want to do, I just want to add them across. Now you could go like 5, 10, 15, etc. So black, white, black, and so on. I'm just going to drag the white over there, and I'm going to go for 10. So location, 10. Black, I'm going to go for 20. And then 30, and you can see what I'm just going to do. And now you'll notice I've got black there and black there. And I'm going to go for the angle option. So you won't have any sort of sharp line. That's one problem with that. Now I'm just going to save this one. So click new, so it's just stored away. Just go up here, you've got linear, radial and angle. I'm just going to go for that one. Also, instead of normal, I'm going to go for difference because I want to blend them. So I'm just going to also go for view and new guide layout. 2 and 2. Reason for that, I can get the center. Super useful. I mean, I could, of course, create the gradient anywhere, but it's nice to create it in the center. So with that, I just quickly apply it using the gradient tool. Simply add it, and you can see you can stop here at this point. You've got a nice gradient burst there, but you can, of course, apply it multiple times. So just apply it once or twice, or 3, 4, 10, 15, up to you. And of course, you could also record this maybe as an action, so you can quickly recreate it at any point, or just save it to the library. Just change the angle each time. You don't have, I mean, you could apply, of course, the same angle each time. That's not going to be so effective. So you just want to change the angle and create a variety of different designs because of that. You don't have to go all the way to the edge. Doesn't matter. Just simply just go like that and just a little movement, and you can create a variety of different designs. What you can do at any point, you can always save it, go into your library. Of course, also, you may want to colour it or maybe apply effects. So you can simply apply effects to this. Now I'm just going to remove the guides, so clear guides. Now I'm not going to add any more, but you can see what I can do now. I just go to filters and I can apply various effects, maybe twirl. So you can create a nice twirl design, very quick and easy using that. And of course, it's slightly odd around the edges. That's unfortunate. Also, if you want, you can colour it as well. Simply go to layer menu and new adjustment layer. Maybe just go down to, maybe use curves, use saturation, colour balance. Click OK and just tweak it. Go for magenta, etc. And close that. And you can see the design there. And of course, because it's an adjustment layer, you can always remove it if you don't want the entire thing. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Always have new tutorials all the time. A dislike or like, always appreciated. Thank you much.